Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you one more interesting example application of the concept of morphological operation whatever I have discussed in my previous video. And if you are student from computer science or information technology or electronics and communication or electrical and electronics department, that is if you have studied digital logic design course, then I hope you will enjoy this. Okay. So let me show you first the image which I have taken for this particular demonstration purpose. This is one logic gate, right? I hope you can clearly understand. What I have done after reading one image, I am here using IM pixel info, so that here pixel info XY coordinate and the value it is showing. Okay. Now what is the problem statement? What we have to do? What image processing we have to apply here? The problem statement is give only wheres. Okay, not these characters, not these gates also, only wheres are required. Okay, suppose the problem statement is like this. Now you have to solve this. Idea is very simple. Decide proper line structuring element. One line structure we will use for horizontal and one line structure we will use for vertical, because only two possible line, horizontal and vertical, right? And then we will apply image opening on this. Okay, because I want to remove other parts, that means those will not fit, it should be removed, that means erosion, and then apply dilation to get back the other parts to its original size. Okay, but the problem is that this image is in black object white background, but in morphological operation what I have told you, white object black background. So what I will do, simply first I will take complement of this. Okay, and then I will run this particular part of the code. Now if you just observe, there is one very important point which you should keep in your mind while deciding the line structuring element. With the angle, no need to think about anything. One is 0 degree, one is 90 degree. But when the line structuring element is 90 degree, then there is possibility of detecting these wheres, this type of wheres which are vertical. Along with that, this part of the gate, this part of the gate, these vertical parts also, there is a possibility that they can be detected. Now how to ignore this? Simple, you have to take your line structuring element length such that it will be more than this particular length of these particular parts. Okay, so let us try to measure the length of this particular part, and as you can see, this is having the maximum vertical length here. So here it is almost starting from 159 and it goes up to 216. So 216 minus 159, 57. Okay, so we'll have to take the line structuring elements number of pixels on the line structuring element more than 57. We can take to nearest proper value 60. Okay, that's what I have taken here. So first of all I am calculating the size of my original image, and then L equal to zeros of R comma C. I am creating one matrix of 0 of same size of our original image, then creating one structuring element of horizontal line structure and having 60 pixels on that, and I am showing my original image. Okay, I can ignore this line, and then what I am doing, L equal to L plus IM open X comma structuring element. I am applying image opening using our this structuring element on our original image X, and I am adding that in the 0 image which we have created here, and then IM so L. So here I can give one pause. Okay, and then for vertical lines, this structuring element we are choosing having pixel 60 line structuring element and 90 degree angle. IM show X. Okay, we can ignore this, and L equal to L plus IM open X comma AC. That is, I am taking the vertical lines and adding that in our image L, and that will show and title as original wires. Okay, so now if I just run the whole code, Control A and evaluate selection, first of all I will be getting all the horizontal line. Then as here I have used pause, so it will execute the rest of the below part only if I press any key from the keyboard. Suppose I am clicking the space bar, and here you can see that it is detecting the vertical lines also. Okay, so here if I give another figure window and run this particular part of the code, okay, sorry, figure IM pixel info cannot be used, so here let me give that. And one more thing, here you need to complement your this image, right? Because our original image is complemented first for applying morphological operation. So what I can do, I can just take this using Ctrl C and paste here Ctrl V. I can give another name M, and I can give here X as complement of M. Okay, so I am showing my original image and then the only detected words. Let's hope that this will work perfectly. Yes, see now, using morphological operation, how beautifully we have detected only word parts. Okay, so what are the important parts you need to consider while applying this kind of practical case study? Okay, number 1 point, remember object should be white, background should be black. Okay, later I will be showing you if object is black, background is white, what you have to do, but for the time being you have to maintain this rule, this convention. And one more thing, choose the structuring element size properly, their alignment, that is angle, number of pixel on it, and which structuring element you should choose, either disk or maybe square or maybe rectangle or maybe line structuring element. Okay, different structuring element present in MATLAB, that also you need to consider with proper justification. Okay, this type of problems are very important for digital image processing and computer vision lab experiment. So that purpose only I am showing you this much example, so that you can handle any unknown situation which you might face in your examination and digital image processing related interview process. Okay, so this is all for my this video. Same code will be posted in the description box. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you for watching.